I just passed my licensure exam last year. Since March 2025, I've been working small odd jobs kung saan-saan lang muna, basta may kita. By April, I finally landed a regular job. Akala ko noon pag nakapasa na ako at may trabaho, everything would finally feel lighter. Pero hindi pala ganun kadali. Every time nasasahod ako, halos wala na ring matira. Laputa sa pambayad ng loans, tuition fees at mga inutang. Pero noong August, natapos ko na silang bayaran lahat. As in lahat. This September, I told my family I'd take them out for groceries. Simple lang, pero ang saya ko. Sabi ko, kuha lang kayo ng gusto nyo, huwag nyo nang isipin yung presyo. Nakita ko si mama nakangiti habang pumipili ng paborito niyang kape. Si papa naman tinignan yung prutas na matagal na niyang gustong bilhin pero laging next time daw. When we reached the counter, the total was 8,456.50 and for the first time, hindi ako ninervyos makita yung amount. I smiled, swiped my card, and realized ito pala yung feeling na nakakabayad hindi lang ng utang kundi ng pangarap. I'm still not rich, but I'm free, and that's more than enough. Here's to more quiet victories for those who worked hard in silence and are finally starting to breathe again.